What's up, guys? This is Will's Gadgets and More, back with another video. So today we're taking a look at a adjustable laptop stand for your desk. This was sent out to me by a company called Stoon. So a big shout out to them for sending it over for a review. This is the Stoon adjustable laptop stand for your desk. This is going to be portable. It's going to be made out of aluminum. It's going to have a double rotation axis riser on it. And this is going to fit your laptops from 10 to 16 inches. And this is going to be silver. You can pick it up on Amazon.com. The price is going to be $24.99. If you go over right now, they can save an extra 20% with the coupon that they're offering as well. Now, I'll drop the link in the description if you guys want to pick it up. Let's get into the packaging and take a look at it. So, on the packaging, you guys can see it says aluminum alloy notebook stand. And that is pretty much it on there. You're going to see it's foldable, tiltable, adjustable, and finish. And there's a nice picture of it there. Let's go ahead and get this out of the box. I'm going to get it out of this plastic, and then we'll take a look at it, guys. All right, guys, so here's the stand. Very lightweight, very thin aluminum. You guys see you have your strips here. Now these are going to help protect it from getting scratched, your laptop. You also have some on the feet right here. And then this is the side profile of it. Feels very sturdy, guys. You got these little feet on the back of it. So when you set it down flat, it's definitely going to slide around on you. And it feels very durable. So you could actually take this and put it in your travel bag and carry it around with you. So this is how it looks when you're opening it up and expanding it. And like I said, you have to put a little force behind it, guys, to get it to open. So this is what it looks like here. And that's what it looks like there. So let's go ahead and drop my MacBook Air M1 on here, which is a 13-inch laptop. Should be no problem holding this device at all. Now I do have it a little tall here. We're going to lower it down just a little bit. Let you guys get this in the frame here. So here it is, so very minimal wobble. If you want to type, there's very little wobble as well. And like I said, you can adjust this in several different positions. Here it is here. Trying to get this in the frame, guys. There it is. So here's the laptop on there. So this is definitely sturdy enough to hold different size laptops without a doubt. So here's the MacBook Air M1. I have the space gray one, and you can see the colors right there. That's going to be silver for the stand. So, all right, guys, I will drop the link in the description if you guys want to pick this up. This is the Stoon Adjustable Aluminum Desktop Stand. Catch you guys in the next video. Will's Gadgets and More.